I am representing Group 2, and our team's goal was to develop a strategy to help change the behavior that is known as sagging, where an individual's pants are deliberately pulled down to expose their, uh, I guess, what you would consider private area, and help them to migrate to wearing a more classic, idealized fashion with the 1970s version of the bell-bottom jean. Uh, that's our goal. We chose this goal to dignify the expressionism of individuals and bring about a more traditional form of fashion that our mothers could be proud of. We implemented several strategies to help us achieve our goal. After providing some historical background on changes in fashion for perspective, to gain perspective, we launched a tiered promotional campaign starting with an alliance marketing scheme where we partnered with organizations to help build on the concept. Next, we used a guerrilla advert technique to introduce the commercialization of the product. Uh, then, to help broaden the appeal, we set out to utilize a direct response promotion, which we'd launch during the maturation stage of the campaign. Our next stage in the process, we implemented the affinity marketing concept where we would connect, excuse me, where we would connect uh, with a leading brand uh, to lend credibility to the product. And the most persuasive approach to building momentum, we thought, uh, was from the word of mouth concept. It's an age old concept, and we thought it would be advantageous because of its high degree of influence. Uh, from an implementation standpoint, we sought to use several methods of promotion. The first being the utilization of the entertainment sector to help or to introduce through music videos. It's a very popular uh, branding technique, and we thought that it would be advantageous for us to utilize the entertainment sector in this regard. Another was to create web blogging communities and or community to help drive the current culture to that change that we're uh, highlighting in our goal. We thought of the advertising pitch that is like jumping on the bandwagon because we felt that we would have more control over how the perception of the gene, the bell bottom gene that is, might be seen to the audience. Think of it like going to the grocery store um, to buy fruit, but you come out with chocolate ice cream and cookies. How did that happen? Because they guided and persuaded you down the aisle that potentially had more return on the product. We would also use many social media in conjunction with our uh, blogging communities to help further the idea that we could change the consumer, their behavior through these techniques. Thanks.